Hi chefs, welcome back to ClosKitchen, and for the new subscribers and viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing this Hamilton Beach deep fryer. I will also show you the different parts and functions as well as how to assemble it. It comes with an easy to follow guide. I was so excited to see that the guide had a frying chart, and it included the different temperatures and cooking times to fry your foods. It shows you how to take care of your fryer as well as some quick troubleshooting tips. And it comes with a 1-year warranty from the date that you purchase it, which is pretty cool. I have this beautiful wired basket with a lock tab on it, and this basket is used to put all your foods for frying. So guys, the wired basket comes with this detachable handle. The metal part of the handle is very sturdy but yet a little flexible. It also comes with a heat-resistant cover with a view window, and that allows you to see or check on your food while it is frying. The cool thing about this deep fryer is that it comes with its own vent, and the vent comes with a cover, which makes it easy to clean both the vent and the cover with some soap and water after you use it. The cover has 2 small openings near the vent on the inside. Guys, this is the pan that goes with the deep fryer. It is deep and it is made out of a metal material. It also has 2 lines on the side that you can see from the inside of the pot. One says minimum, which is minimum amount of oil that you can pour into the pan, and one says maximum, which is the maximum amount of oil that you can pour into the pan. This is the base to the deep fryer. It comes with 2 handles, one on each side, as well as 4 supports at the bottom to protect your countertops. It has a reset button on one of the sides, and that part also functions as a support for one of the parts to the deep fryer. It comes with a magnetic power cord that is, in my opinion, a bit short. The next part is the heating element, which heats up the oil. It resembles the heating element that's in my oven, except the material is a bit thicker. This next part is part of the heating assembly. It comes with the power and ready light as well as the different temperatures that ranges from 250 all the way through 375 degrees. Now I'm going to assemble the fryer. The first thing I'm going to do is prepare the basket. I'm going to do that by inserting the 2 ends of the handle into the 2 loops that's on the basket. Then I'm going to lock it in place. Next, I'm placing my oil pot into the base or the body of the fryer. Next, I'm going to attach the heating element assembly by attaching it to that square box which holds the reset button. And I'm going to do that by sliding it down this box until it is locked in place. Guys, it was weird to see that the element is sitting in the pot, which means that it will be sitting in the oil. For the cover, we have those 2 spaces near the vent. Those spaces will be resting on top of the 2 attachments for the heating element. Lastly, I'm attaching my magnetic power cord to the heating element assembly. When the deep fryer is being used, the basket sits right above the heating element and it is supported by the handle which rests on the side of the pot. On this side, the 2 spaces on the cover sits on the basket handles. So guys, this was the Hamilton Beach deep fryer unboxing. I will be showing you how to use it in future videos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.